Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to add a traffic light indicator to your Power BI reports. This indicator will allow you to empower your storytelling visually and allow your audience to easily see what is going on in your reports. This video is mainly for developers. Starting from Power BI Desktop, we'll click on Get Data, click on Excel, select our file, and then click on Open. Now, we'll select our Sheet 1 data over here and click on Load to import it into Power BI. After that, we'll click on Data over here and we can see our table. To add a traffic light indicator to our table, we'll right-click on Sheet 1 over here, click New Column, and we'll either type or paste the light code into the DAX equation here. If you don't know the light code, feel free to pause the video here and type it down for future reference. After inputting the light code, click Enter on your keyboard. We can see the traffic light indicator created in our new column here, and now we'll change the colors of the icons. We'll go back to our report and select everything under the field's header to have our table show. Then, we'll right-click on our new column here under Values, go to Conditional Formatting, and click on Font Color. From here, we'll change our format to Rules and based on field values to Sum of Total Sales. Then, based on your report data, you can type in your greater and less than values in these fields and switch it to numbers. At the end, click on this icon to select a color that matches the data you inputted for that rule. Since we want our report sales data to reflect what we inputted as a good amount, we'll make green our color of choice. Now, if we want to add more colors to our report for our data, we can click on New Rule over here and do the exact same thing for our other data. Make sure that the numbers you input for greater than values don't exceed the less than values. Also, be sure to choose the right color that matches your report and what you want your audience to see when looking at the traffic light indicator. When everything looks good, click on OK. Based on just this report data, we can see the colored traffic light indicators that we previously made. Green reflects the higher numbers indicating that our product has a great number of total sales. Yellow reflects our middle or decent numbers that we need to work on. And red reflects the lowest amount of total sales for a product that we definitely need to have sales increase for. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.